Hello my friends, how is everybody today? Hope y'all are doing good. Good to be here. I apologize I haven't gotten a video out in a while. I've got so many I'm working on. I've ran out of chips for the cameras. You know, you start on this, you work on that, you work on that, you start on this. But I apologize guys when my work kind of goes that way. Sometimes I'm swamped. Sometimes I got all the spare time in the world. There's an upgrade I've been meaning to do to my shop. There's been a couple of electrical fires in some shops in the area in the recent past. And a fellow YouTuber, Mike Spike, the victim, excuse me guys, also had a fire in his shop last year, I believe it was. And there's some upgrading I've been meaning to do to my panels. So I wanted to get some devices installed. And the work you're going to see was done by an electrician, not by me, although I could very simply do it. I am very respectful of electrical panels. Believe me, I've been in the construction business all my life. So I waited until I needed him over for another issue, and then I had him do that for me, install these little devices. So if y'all choose to do it, do the same, guys. As simple as it may seem, the electrical panels are nothing to play with or touch if you don't know what you're doing. So do not install these unless you have an electrician install them. I guess I should say I have to tell you that. More so, I want to tell you that because I don't want to see anybody get hurt. Like I say, unless you know what you're doing, you don't know what's going to hurt you inside that panel and what's not going to hurt you. So do not install these things by yourself. Get an electrician. By all means, please. I'm going to try and put links to them in the video. I don't know if I can or not, but you can find these products on Amazon. They are very helpful indeed. They were not made for this purpose. They were made for the auto industry and motors and so on. But you'll see what I mean. Okay? I've also got a couple of little things I'll show you real quick. So let me get at explaining a few things to you guys. Hey guys, this is a bumper we're building in the shop for the RV. Gets a little welding done there. My nephew came in and helped me with the welding. I can weld, but he puts me to shame, and I wanted a good job done on it. So he came in and did the welding for me. Now we're going to send it off to get powder coated, and when I get it put back on the RV, I'll show y'all. Great job, my friend. You did awesome on the welding. Thank you, buddy. Hey guys, this one is made by Jogo Wall. Jogo Wall. Okay, this thing is kind of small. Fits in the palm of my hand. Got 3M peel sticker on the back with its certification sticker on it there. You simply peel it and stick it where you want to put it. Again, they were made for the car industry. People are using them a lot in RVs and fire sensitive areas and so on. That's this one. And this one is made by Blaze Cut. This is a fire cutter that cuts wood. Manufacturer's name is Blaze Cut. What it was designed for is to protect car engines and to be put around engines to put out fire. This one they also show it being used in a panel. And that one's got it on top the hood on your boat engine right there. Alright guys, this is the Blaze Cut. It is 3/4 of an inch round. This particular one is 6 foot long. It has its gauge. See if I can get this camera to focus. right there on the end, showing you that it's fully charged. And as you saw in those little pictures, you tape it up under the hood, and in the event of a fire, anywhere along the length of the tube, when the fire melts it, it disperses all the chemical into a gas, putting out the fire and not leaving any residue of any kind. Let me see if I can find a video to show y'all. And I do not know how to link a video into my video. Amateur here, remember? So let me see what I can do for you. Hey my friends, I've mounted one here inside of this panel, inside of the transfer switch for the exterior lighting. And again, it's going to sit there, and if there's ever any type of electrical fire breaks out in here, it's going to put out the fire before it can get bad and cause a damage. Major damage, that is. And over here, I've put two of them in this panel right here. One up over here spraying upward, and one on this side spraying downward. So my thoughts, my opinion, when they go off, they're spraying in a circular motion. I've done the same over on this panel. One down here and one down here. And if I back you guys up, see if I can do this. Get you the whole little setup. No, I guess I can't, not from this angle. This is the backup generator panel, and I have two of them mounted in here also to do a circular spray to protect the electrical. Water can do damage, yes, you can't do much about that, but electrical, you can help prevent electrical fires, and you can find a lot of videos on panel electric fires, and that's a good thing to have protection for. Here guys, I'll give you a couple of close-ups of them stuck inside the panel. No danger at all, and no, you did not see me doing this, because although I'm a very old good handyman, I would never go inside and work inside an electrical panel. A gentleman by the name of Raymond, a wonderful electrician that does some work for me, had the simple easy task of installing these. This actual panel, I had a breaker heat up in real bad once and start smoking. It didn't make a fire, but luckily we were here at the time. And this panel over here in the third section of the shop, there's one big great 400 amp service that feeds the whole place. And then there's that last group of panels you saw in the first side of the shop, and this smaller panel over here. And got them protected also. This one protected also, that is. This one sits right over here. Y'all might have saw this area. Hey my friends, and this is the 400 amp main service coming in that feeds the other two sets of sub panels, and I put the blaze cut in this panel going all around to protect the panel. I'm fluffed. Hey my friends, I hope y'all find that useful and helpful. I sure do. Those two products are available on Amazon, plus a few others like it. They are very findable on YouTube. Just search the product name. You can get all the specs and detailed information about them. You can see the clips of how fast they put out the fire. Very informative, very, very informative. And you can use them in a lot of other places also. They have them in circuit boards, around cooking devices that can cause a fire. Just like a commercial kitchen has a vent hood with an Ansel system, an ANSL is a fire suppression system that's put into a hood above a cooking area type thing. Getting a little off subject though, there. They are not that expensive. The tube ones I think are around 150. The little small ones, I can't remember if they were 49 or 79. I forget what it was. But the protection they give you. And they also have some devices, and they'll pop up for you too when you're doing the YouTube search, that I found very interesting. Let me take a minute and go get one. Hold on, I'm going to cut this for a second. I'm back. Here it is, guys. Little bitty device. This is plastic. These are sold in a set of 4. They come in different colors, 4 colors in a box. I think it's green, yellow, red, and blue. They'll pop up for you when you're doing your search on Amazon for the other products. They are literally just little decorative devices. You keep sitting by the fire pit outside on the shelf, by the barbecue when you're cooking, outside the RV when you've got the fire pit going, when you're out burning trash. Just keep one around. You don't need to pull a pin on a fire extinguisher. You don't need to aim it. Just throw it at the fire. That is originally how fire extinguishers were made. That was the very first fire extinguisher. Was a glass ball with water in it, and you'd throw it at the fire. Glass would break, water would put out the fire. Very simple, but that's how the very first fire extinguisher ever made. Now this isn't water in here. I don't know the exact chemical that's in here. I heard it when I watched the video. I saw it, but I don't remember it. You can watch the videos on them and see it if you want to know exactly what chemical is in there. To the electricians, guys, I remodel office buildings for a living is what I do. I'm a high-rise, I'm a commercial contractor. I remodel office buildings. And they have a lot of electrical panels in office buildings. And this is a great service that you could sell your customers if you're an electrician that works in any place that has an electrical panel. I do office buildings. I mean, everything has electrical panels. I could go on and on and on and on and on. Retail stores, homes, strip centers, gas stations, you name it. Everything has an electrical panel that could use fire protection. And you could sell that as a service, as part of your business. Now, grant you, I get 25%, guys, okay? Oh, choking. Guys, I hope y'all find that useful and helpful. I really do. It works good for me. I'm happy with it. I was originally looking for fire protection for a couple of areas in my RV, and I won't go through all of that. That's not the purpose here, but that's how I came across them. I didn't see anybody putting them in an electrical panel. There was one video where they were putting them in a control panel, which is basically a low voltage electrical panel for water pumps, water fountains, control panel. And I got the thought about it and thinking about it, and went and had them installed. I had my electrician install them. When he was here, he had something else to do, so I had him put them in for me, and he did a great job with that. A couple of those panels we haven't been into them for a couple of years, so we blew them out and cleaned them out while we had them open. That's always a good thing to do, especially in a wood shop. That dust floats around and builds up everywhere. So I like to blow them out now and then, and that was a good time to get that done. So, guys, I hope you find that informative and helpful. Okay, I've got, like I was saying, many videos I'm working on. I actually ran out of chips to put in the camera. I keep one chip for each video, and I have to stop on a particular project and go work on another one for whatever reason. And each chip gets used for just one video, and then I put that chip back. Anyway, long story short, and I got a lot of chips. Oh, I'm sorry. Guys, I'm rambling. Y'all stay safe, be well, say a prayer for Ukraine. I wish the whole world was free and we were rid of all these, damn it. communists. I don't know the word, guy. You know what I'm talking. I'm bad with my words. What can I say? Dictators. There it is. Dictators. Get rid of all these damn dictators and let the world live and be in peace. I'm going to get on my soapbox again if I don't shut up, y'all. Y'all have fun, my friends. I hope you find that useful and helpful. I got plenty of more videos coming for you, and I'm going to get them out there as quick as I can, my friends. Y'all take care and stay safe, and I'll be back, I promise you. Bye now. Here's that bumper, guys. Got it all finished and mounted up on the RV. Came out pretty nice. These 2 points protruding out are for 2 48-inch cargo racks. Got it all done. Yeah. Thought y'all be back. I forgot. A fellow YouTuber named Mike Spike had a fire in his shop a while back, and it was caused exactly by dust building up and not getting cleaned up in an area that caused fire. And Mike told me I could take some clips from his video and put them into this video. Mike, I tried, buddy. I tried. This guy ain't cutting no clip and pasting it somewhere. I hadn't learned that yet. I tried, my friend. Bye, y'all. I'll be back.